All right, so this is the worst of it. Yeah, this little. But I can tell you that in here, this spot is looking high, and on the other side of the chimney is looking high. The center of the chimney area is looking low. You know what I mean? Like when you walk into this room, you can see that this side is high, that side is high, but the chimney area is the lowest point. So I feel like if anything, you guys might want to just try to do those two jacks, which we're probably doing it anyway, actually. You can hear it all. Yeah, you can hear it all. It's kind of creepy being out here right now, or whatever. Like, yeah, like, I'm getting high, man. This is great. Oh yeah, I can feel it. And what do you got to get to? What are you trying to get to? Okay, right. Yeah.
That camera can hear everything. That camera got air. Mic too?
Yeah, this one does. This, well, it's got a clear back on it so it can hear us.
You can hear it crumbling.
I mean, I don't know if this is going to hurt anything or not, but I'm trying to walk through and kind of give it a little bit of a shake, so it kind of helps it.
Is it looking better in there?
It is looking better. This spot still looks really high compared. It's not too bad though. But yeah, I would say that one probably could be good. It's just so fucking crazy how bad that far corner is. And I really feel like us trying to pick it up isn't really doing much because it's got that bowed out section at the top. Yeah, so you got the baseboard is tight over here, and you got just about maybe 1/4 of an inch on that far side. But we don't really have a jack underneath of that very far side because of the HVAC unit right there. Yeah. So I don't really think it's going to be able to get much better than it is, but you guys might want to look at it.
Yeah, just right at it.
Say that again?
That's pressure right there. 3,000 pounds of pressure.
Yeah, it's 26. Down. 26, yeah.
Open that jack, let's let them down. I don't want to go too much because remember yesterday we put pressure on.
Yeah, no, I mean, listen, you guys know what you're doing. I don't. Again, so.
push and see what we can conquer.
Over on that far corner?
Yeah, we're gonna try with us.
Okay.
Push it and
I think it might work. You never know. Yeah. You know, the problem doesn't really become the pushing it in. The problem becomes what happens when you take the pressure off.
yeah, we gotta have enough pressure on it.
Right.
So at least when I say, you know, this is what we did, this is what we couldn't do, at least
Right.
you can see, well, did you try this, try this, try
Right.
this.
Right.
Like I say, I tried with it.
Yep.
That's the 1, 2, 3.
And what's that?
That's the number in them. So we take the picture.
Just for like reference, so you know, pier number 3 was 15 feet.
Yeah, so you always gotta take a close one, take a wide one, so they can make sure that you know that you did do.
Right, and right, so that way when you go back to do anything or whatever, if anything's got to be done in the future and it's got to be done to pier number 3, you know which one pier number 3
Yeah,
is.
exactly.
Right.
Location.
It's a smart man right there.
Oh yeah. We counted, so you won't say that.
He's encroaching on your what did I call you yesterday? The phenom, the foundation phenom.
And then plus, so you can't say that we only installed 2 jacks.
Hey, yeah, what the hell, man? Thought I was supposed to get 12. Y'all only installed 2.
Have you already taken pictures of these? I'm about to. I'm writing them down.
Why, you trying to make memories?
No, they make us take pictures of
Yeah.
everything, man.
It's the best thing to do, dude. I do service work all the time for third-party providers.